Welcome to another video in my Finishing My Albums series. I have a habit of not completing pages as I don't title or journal, so I've gone back through this album and put in all the titles and journals, a few embellishments and different things like that. This page is an idea from Pinterest, as most of my cover pages are, then adapted to suit. I'm no professional, but I hope you enjoy this flip through and maybe get some ideas for your own scrapbooking as well. I have a lot of Faster Fabulous pages in this album. Sometimes you'll see the Faster Fab, where I've just added a mat or embellishments. Sometimes I've created a page and put it right over the top. I've used peekaboo pockets, mostly in 12x6 size, to add more photos to each page. Sometimes it'll be other documents, tickets, or other things like that. This album features a lot of what I called digital scrapbooking, which is where I've created the photos on the computer using Forever Artisan software for scrapbooking, or my Instagram photos that I've printed and then scrapbook them traditionally. There is no one collection or theme to this album. It is simply whatever works with the photos as I scrapbook them. As I've said in my other album flip-throughs, there will always be geocaching and camping in my albums. Let's sit back and listen to some music as we look at the album. We went on a cruise at the end of the year with my family, and that is a separate album, which I'm still working on, but I put the highlights in a 2-page spread in my yearly album again. This is an example of digital scrapbooking and then traditionally scrapbooking it, if that makes sense. I'm Sandra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more flip through videos. Look out for more travel related content in the future.